So in today's video, I'm gonna do a quick room tour for the Baywatch Resort and Spa Goa, which is in Sarnabatim, Colva. So yeah, quickly let's get started. So guys, we get a key card like this to open our room. Okay, that's the entrance. So I guess we will have to insert our key card in here like this. Okay, when we enter the room, we get a big space over here where we can keep our luggage and our footwear, everything. Then in here is a big wardrobe, and it is really big, like it is really spacious. And just in front of that is the washroom. So let's come and see the washroom first. So it is pretty clean. You get a big mirror here, and this is the wash basin here. Let's see what all we get. So we get this shampoo over here, then we get this shower cap, vanity kit, and this moisturizer. And here we have this aloe vera beauty soap, and we get a dryer also, and this magnifying mirror in which we can closely see ourselves. And you can see the toilet is really nice and clean. This area is for the shower. That's pretty much it. Now let's go back to our room. So here we get the mini fridge. Then here we have two complimentary water bottles from the resort. Then we have some sugar and coffee sachet and the kettle to boil our water and make tea and coffee, whatever you want to make it. And here we have this LED TV and a big TV unit. So here you get a lot many drawer to keep your stuff. Okay, so they have this sewing kit over here. So like big drawers, very spacious. Okay, this is the small sitting area. Like if you are working from home, then yeah, you can make use of this. And yeah, this is the empty area. This is the sitting area. And over here we have two side tables, and this is a bed. So this is how it looks. Now let's go directly to the balcony. Okay, so this is the balcony area. That is the entrance to the resort, and that's the view. They have the pool view also. So just in case you are coming and booking the room, you can book the pool view room as well. Okay, yeah, so that's pretty much it. So it's a nice room guys. You can come and yeah, enjoy.